Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So I'm here with you guys today with another makeup video. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I've just, had a little bit more reasons now to do my makeup, and also you guys are always asking about my makeup looks. So I was like, let me go ahead and keep giving the girls some makeup looks. So let me know what you guys think about these videos. But overall, I do my makeup, I do my little one too, and once in a while I try to play with color too. So that's more of what I want to show you guys. I want to show you guys, like, something quick, calm, and collective, but also like the intricate routines as well. So I will be trying something different today. So today's Mother's Day, May 10th. Happy Mother's Day to all of the mommies out there. I know this video is going to be up after Mother's Day, but in all due respect, I had to make that little announcement real quick. But today's video we will be playing with color a little bit. So also I loved how this setup and the quality looks when I was editing this video. So I was like, oh, we're gonna stay right here, okay? We're gonna stay right here with this video quality and call it a day. So anyway, before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, and drop a comment down below with your thoughts, your comments, your opinions, any questions that you guys have after watching this video. Also, if you guys want to see like any specific makeup looks, or if you guys have any specific questions about makeup, leave them down below and I'll incorporate them throughout the rest of my makeup content. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So step one, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my lips using my Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. This is my jam. I always put this on my lips as I'm prepping to do my makeup, so my lips could be nice and moist by the time we get to them. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my braids. Ooh, in a little pony. Ooh, I need to shave. Girl, why is my hair growing so fast during quarantine? So here is secured into a ponytail. As you guys know, I do not use primer, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. I'm gonna do the same routine I always do, like foundation, concealer, eyebrows, and then I'll be back after because that's when the routine changes up. If you guys are interested in any of the products I use for these steps, I'll go ahead and list them down below. But I just feel like I do this at the beginning of all of my makeup videos, so until I use something different, like a new foundation or a new concealer, then I'm just gonna fast forward this part or just skip over it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so I did my foundation and now it's time to do the eyes. So I'm gonna do some color today. And whenever I do color, I prime my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead in with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is in Eden. No, this is in Sin. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. I don't know what Sin is given because I use Eden. Oh, Sin is like a rose gold action. We'll see. I'm not going to use too much. So I put my eyeshadow primer on. I'm going to go in with a brush and just spread it. And as I'm applying the primer, I'm kind of applying it in the same shape that I do my eyeshadow in. This is given very much so shimmer. I don't know. I got this one for free, so I can't even complain. Now I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and I know I want to do like a pink and red combination lip, so I want to do something a little bit reddish on the eyes. So I'm gonna I'm trying to use only this palette. I usually gravitate towards like browns to go on my crease, but I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this color here. Okay, so I'm using my Morphe M504 brush, which is like a fluffy brush. I'm gonna pop that light pink in my crease. This primer is just throwing me off. It's so shimmery. Okay, so I put that light pink in my crease. Then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put this like raspberry-ish color in my inner crease. See what that do. Okay. And don't come for me. I'm literally using half a brush because this brush broke, but it still do what the girls needed to do, so it still be getting used. See how pretty that color is? So pretty, it's so rich. I love Huda eyeshadows, but I only have 2 palettes because girl, they're expensive. And I have so many like cheaper eyeshadow palettes that I'm just like, I can't see myself paying this much for like all my palettes. So put that in the crease, and then on my eyelid, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put this palish color. Let's see if that pays off. Okay. Oh, that's real pretty. Oh my god. Okay. And I'm gonna blend that darker pink again, so we have a nice seamless transition. Okay, so this is my eye situation. Not a pro. I just do my little 1-2. So that's what the eyes is giving today, okay? Now I'm gonna go in and contour and highlight. I skipped this part during my last video because I forgot that I wasn't recording, but today I'm recording. So this is the Sephora Collection Spice Market palette, and I use this shade to contour, and then I mix these 2 shades to highlight. If I want more of a silver tone highlight, I'll just use this one, or if I want more of a gold tone highlight, I'll use this one, but for the most of the time I mix it together. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna mix them up, and to apply both of them, I'm gonna use this Ofra 101 brush. I got this from like in a beauty con, some type of gift bag, but I like to use the flat side to contour, and then I use the teardrop side to highlight. So this is good, especially like for traveling and stuff, because I can carry one brush for 2 different things. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour. And then I take some of it and do my nails, just a little 1-2. Highlights. Okay, so I look very crazy, but I just went ahead, contoured, and highlighted. Now I'm gonna set my face, so I'm gonna use my MAC Fix Plus setting spray. Are you looking good? And then once my MAC Fix Plus is like halfway dry, I'll go in with my waterproof setting spray and just give me a few sprints. Okay, so now I'm gonna let that dry, and as that's dry, I'm gonna take my paper towel and take my lip balm off. And next step is I'm gonna prep my lip. So I'm gonna go in with my lip liner. The lip liner I'm using today is from the Lip Bar. It is their straight face lip liner, which is red. This. Girl, the lips are real crusty, okay? So now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Matte Must Swell in the shade Flamingo Acid, which is like a hot pink. I love how this lip liner looks with this lippy. I like for my lip liner to be very present. So I just went back in and darkened my lip liner a bit. But this is how we're looking right now. So after my lips, I like to go in and line my eyes. So first I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I'm using my Sephora black eyeliner. So I just did my liners and my mascara. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes, and then I'll be back with the finished look. Hi guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and put my lashes on, but this is basically the finished look. I think it came out so cute. I wanted something like pinky, ready, girly, and I feel like this is it. I went ahead and popped on these earrings. I did get these from ASOS. I'll go ahead and link them down below in case you guys are interested. But yeah, so this is the finished look. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you guys love it? Do you guys like it? Do you guys want more colorful looks? Comment down below and let me know. If you enjoy, give it a big thumbs up. If you love the results, also give it a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. And until my next video, which will be tomorrow, I'll see you guys later.